Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your sales team with Asana, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your sales team with Asana, first, start by creating an Asana account if you don't have one yet. Visit the Asana website and sign up using your email address. Once you have signed in, create a new project specifically for your sales team. Use a clear and descriptive name for the project to keep it organized. Next, add sections to your project that represent different stages of the sales process. For example, label sections such as prospects, leads, and closed deals. Now, invite your sales team members to the project. Click on the Share button and enter their email addresses to grant access. Each team member should set their own tasks for accountability. Encourage them to create tasks for every client interaction or follow-up. To keep track of deadlines, set due dates on tasks. This will ensure everyone stays on schedule with their follow-ups. Utilize Asana's comment feature to facilitate communication on specific tasks. This allows team members to ask questions or provide updates. Next, make use of Asana's integration features. Connect Asana with your email or CRM tool for better workflow management. This integration can automate updates and minimize manual entries. Next, create templates for repetitive tasks. This will save time and ensure consistency across your sales processes. Ensure that tasks are labeled with priority levels. High-priority tasks will stand out and help focus your team's efforts. Regularly review the project to assess performance. Use Asana's reporting features to track sales metrics and team progress. Host weekly check-ins in Asana to discuss challenges and celebrate wins. These meetings help maintain team morale and accountability. Finally, encourage feedback from your sales team. This will allow you to refine your Asana setup as needed. By following these steps, you'll create a structured and supportive environment for your sales team using Asana. This structure not only protects your team but also enhances their productivity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.